Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Afzal Dar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Wednesday, 30th March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 carats gold without VAT price for the 1 gram is 227.32 and with VAT is 238.69. For 22 carats gold without VAT price for 1 gram is 208.68 and with VAT is 219.11. 21 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 198.90 and with VAT is 208.85. 18 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 170.49 and with VAT is 179.01. 14 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 132.98 and with VAT is 139.63. 10 carats gold 1 gram price is 94.79 for 1 gram and with VAT is 99.53. Without VAT price for the 6 carats gold for 1 gram 56.83 and with VAT is 59.67. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and do share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.